Connect the computer with the data cable, and then turn on the power. Locate the software and driver folders on the USB flash drive. Copy and save the folder on the computer. Open the folder and locate the software directory. The software is a portable version. You can send a shortcut of the software to your desktop for easy access. Now starting driver installation. Right-click on My Computer and click on Management. Click on Device Manager. Found Other Device, Unknown Device. Double-click to open. Click to update the driver. Click the second option. Click to view. Choose the folder on your computer. Click Next. Trust software and continue installation. Waiting for installation to complete. Open the labeling machine software. Agree and continue. Click on System Settings. Fill in machine parameters. Click on the parameters and continue configuring various marking parameters. Adjust the focus distance. You can start the marking operation now. Enter the required text in the software. Click Apply after entering input. Fill in the text. Click on the red light after completion. Can see the carving area preview box. Select the carving position. Start engraving by clicking Engrave.